Hey there, fellow design enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of automotive design and explore how to model a sports car in Solidworks. So, buckle up and let's get started. First things first, we need to understand the basic components of a sports car. Typically, a sports car consists of a chassis, body, and engine. The chassis is the frame that supports the body and suspension, while the body is the outer shell that houses the engine and other components. The engine, of course, is the heart of the car, providing the power and performance we all crave. Now, let's start with the chassis. In SolidWorks, we can create a basic chassis using the Extrude tool. Start by creating a sketch, and then use the Extrude tool to create the basic shape of the chassis. Once you have the chassis, you can then create the body using the Extrude tool as well. Remember to create a sketch that accurately represents the desired shape of the body. Once you have the body, you can start adding the details. This is where the fun begins. You can use the Extrude tool to create the hood, trunk, and other features of the body. Don't forget to add the windows, doors, and other components. Now, let's move on to the engine. In SolidWorks, you can create the engine using the Extrude tool as well. Start by creating a sketch that represents the shape of the engine, and then use the Extrude tool to create the engine block. From there, you can add the cylinders, pistons, and other components using the Extrude tool. Once you have the engine, you can then add the suspension, brakes, and other components using the Extrude tool. Remember to create sketches that accurately represent the desired shape of each component. And there you have it. You've successfully modeled a sports car in SolidWorks. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and designs. Thank you for joining me on this design journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing!